But just to show you how retarded this thing is, you can see right here, I am connected into it. It's just hovering right here. It's just hovering. It's just standing there. I just tried something else. The app, of course, it is not connected. But even though the Wi-Fi shows that it is connected, see that? It says it's connected, and it's just now hovering. It's just staying in one spot. That's how much of a piece of crap this thing is. Again, this could be operator error, but I've had no trouble with my Bebop 1 once I fixed the GPS chip in it. This thing is now just hovering in the air, and it's probably just going to stay there until the battery dies. Alright, so right now we're out with the Parrot Bebop 2. I bought this reconditioned on eBay from the company's Tech Rabbit. I've bought from them before. I've actually been pretty happy with what I bought with them before, so we'll see if this works out. This has been manufactured by Windsor Certified Refurbished. As you can see, it came with a couple extra props. Obviously I don't have all the pieces with me. I left some of the charging stuff at home, but should be a pretty basic set. Now, I have not had a lot of luck with Parrot Bebop, especially the Bebop 2. I'm probably because I bought them refurbished, but I've bought refurbished equipment before and they've worked fine. I have a Bebop 1, I have a Mavic 1 anyways, that have worked great. Parrots I have not had a lot of luck with. The first Parrot that I bought, Bebop 2, it actually stuck up in the air, it flew, and then it got stuck there, and then eventually came home and crashed into some trees. The other one has disconnection issues, and I've tried to reset that one. That one I've had no luck with as far as resetting it, getting this one. I just did a quick test with it real quick. Not really happy. So we'll see if we can kind of get this thing to flying correctly. I might try a reset on it before, if this doesn't work, because I just put a new battery in it. So we'll see if we get this thing worked out. I do have the Sky Controller 2. As you can see, I do have a feed, so we are good to go on there. Let's do a takeoff. As you can see, the light just went off. It's now flashing. I don't want to go too far with it till I make sure that we are not going to lose. Oh, just lost connection. So I just lost the Wi-Fi connection, and now it's just going to hover there. So not too pleased so far. All right, so I'm gonna try to capture it. That's why I didn't go too far with it. It's reconnected. See if I can land it. All right, so it just reconnected. All right, so I'm going to try a reset on the Wi-Fi system. Maybe it needs to be reset. Hold on. All right, so we're back out again with the Parrot Bebop 2. The one I just recently bought refurbished. As I stated before, I have not had a lot of luck with the Parrot Bebops, especially the 2. I have a 1 that actually works pretty decently. But for me, in order for this thing to be workable in the field, I needed to be able to function almost flawlessly, and I've had a lot of disconnect issues with the Bebop 2s. This thing is all set up. I made some changes on the Wi-Fi settings, so I'm hopeful that will result in a different result. So to explain what I did, we're in the settings. Oh wait, go back here. Sorry. So I went in the settings, network, selected all. Now it's going to channel 6 for some reason, when I really want it to be. So we're gonna go here, see if I can switch it to manual. You see the bumps where the Wi-Fi connections seem to be. That's kind of where I want it to be. So that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna select channel 11 and see if that works. So away we go. See if there's any disconnect issues. See, we got a nice clear look. We are recording. I'm gonna steadily bring it out. Looks like we still got a lag. Yep, we just lost the Wi-Fi. All right. It is gonna come back, thankfully. Now when it comes back, it should hover. So I'm gonna go all. See if I can bring it back. See if I can reconnect into it. It's saying no drones. All right, connecting. Connect. All right, so it's just hovering there right now, waiting for its next order. I'm gonna go into Wi-Fi settings here, manually. You can see I am in airplane mode too, I've read that. My cam's showing up, but the drone is not showing up. All right, so I'm gonna capture this and reset it. All right. Put that back down. I'm going to try. Okay, Bebop is showing back up. Reconnected. Shows it's not connected. Even though on my thing it says it is connected, on my Wi-Fi selection, it says it is not connected. My controller's flashing red. So let's put that on and off. If you're watching this and you can tell me what I'm doing wrong, I would be greatly appreciative, because I haven't been able to. This has been the same consistent issue with all the Bebop 2s that I've taken, and I figured I'd try a different company. That does not seem to be working any better. Okay. Cancel. All right, shows that we're connected. Bebop 2, no access. So it says we are connected, but again, nothing happening. I'm gonna try to restart this. All right, I'm gonna try to reselect all frequencies. See if it will let me change that. Apparently not. Connect. see. Okay, connected into it again. Of course, nothing. All right, so I'm going to try to disconnect the controller and try to go with just regular Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi connected right away. Okay, we're going to do this. See if this makes a difference. All right, so I'm gonna switch it to all. All right. Oh, already disconnected. See that? Already disconnected. So it's coming home, which I guess is good. All right, let's pull this back down. And then it comes back up. All right, so we're gonna try something else here. Network, manual, channel 1. That seems to be, it says 2.4 gigahertz there. So that's the channel I originally had it running on, was 1. Let's see if it does any different now. Yep, already lost it. And again, I lost Wi-Fi. So I don't know what the heck I'm doing wrong here. I think this thing's going back. I think the Bebop 2 sucked, to be honest. Well, now it's reconnected. Now it's back. And maybe because I'm buying refurbished, maybe that's the reason why it's junk. I don't know. But I did notice that when I connect, let's see if we can bring it back. When I had it connected, at one point I had a device that could handle, when I had a device that can handle 2. Let's see, network. So let's try 5 gigahertz. I don't think my device, yeah, see, so it'll bounce out. I don't know what the problem is. I've tried to reset this Wi-Fi. I've tried to do everything. If I can't use it on the field and it just wants to disconnect, it's really no use to me. I just kind of wanted to try this to see if it was like if I tried a different company, if that would have a different result. And obviously today I'm not having any luck at all. So I think this thing is going back. I can't even find the Wi-Fi now. It's not even showing up. So we're gonna call this a day. I think this thing is crap. You know, maybe it's me not understanding how to use Wi-Fi. I do have it with airplane mode. I don't know. I think it's just crap. So the finale of this is the Parrot Bebop, all prepared to go back. I do have this Parrot Bebop, and it is never flown correctly. I don't know, I got it for a good deal, so I've just been hanging on to it. But if you guys have any pointers or anything that could help as far as the disconnect issues, it'd be great. I'd love to be able to fly this thing regularly. It's a great looking drone, but I constantly have disconnect issues with it. But this guy's going back. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh, it's finally landing. It's finally landing. We're gonna watch it crash. Yep, there it goes.